Welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through the process of setting up Instagram comments automation. This cool feature lets you automatically send a direct message to users who comment on your posts, providing a personalized experience without any individual effort. With comments automation, you can turn comments into sales by sending your followers a reply message with a link to buy your products or sign up for webinars or events. Let's dive in. To start off, we have a pre-built template that you can easily customize. The first step in your automation is the trigger. So, when a user comments on your post or reel, a reply message will be sent. Let's click on the trigger and check its settings. Here, you have three options to choose from. You can either set up a general message for all your Instagram posts, select the next post, or choose a specific one. For example, if you have a post promoting a lead magnet, you might want every follower who comments on it to receive an automatic reply message with a link to a checklist. To do this, select Specific Post, and choose the relevant post. Next, you can decide whether to send a reply message to any comment or only to those containing specific keywords, for instance, checklist. If you're using paid traffic, it's a good idea to ask an open-ended question and choose Any Words option, so the comments won't all be the same and you'll avoid the risk of getting flagged by Meta for engagement bait. Additionally, you can enable public auto-response to automatically reply to comments on your post in the feed. You can create multiple replies to provide a more natural interaction. Once you're all set with the trigger settings, don't forget to click Save. Now, let's take a look at the reply message that your followers will receive when they comment on your post. So, here's the deal with this message. When you send it as a response to a post or reel comment, make sure it's labeled appropriately as a comment reply. According to Instagram regulations, you can only use text, buttons, or quick replies in the first reply message. Other blocks like image or time delay are not allowed. Now, here's the fun part. You can edit the message to make it more personal. Use variables like the first name to add that personal touch. If you want your customers to visit your website, a popular move for many businesses, just swap out the link in the button settings. Once you're done creating your automation, it's time to give it a whirl and see how your followers will experience it. Let's hit Set Live to do it. Your automation is now live, which means the trigger is on, and the content is published for your followers to see when they activate it with their actions. Now, let's see this in action. When a user comments on the post, they'll receive the automated response based on your settings. We recommend encouraging users to comment on your post to get them into your flow. If you want to pause an automation, just turn off the trigger. To check how users engage with your communication, go to the Automation tab. Here, you'll find details like reply rate and the number of runs, which indicates how many people interacted with your communication. To sum it up, Instagram comments automation is a powerful tool to boost your social media presence and drive traffic to your website, resulting in higher sales and revenue. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.